I want maximum length for my creature. Don't. I'm gonna bonk you. So Kieran is kind of like a deer. This looks exactly like a deer. Thank you. Yeah, kind of like a dragon deer. Longer legs. Okay. I mean, that's good. This is very good, actually. This is very good. Yes. Beautiful. There we go. How about this, like, pom-pom tail? I don't know. Something just feels off. We can get glide already. Yeah, we're like a fairy. Like a Pegasus. Beautiful. Okay, I think the other thing is like arms are kind of necessary, so we're gonna need arms too. Even if it's not quite right. Oh, but I mean, this just feels correct, doesn't it? Okay. I just saw a Twitter notification for my mama Asagi. I'm sorry, mama. Gomenasai, mama. I'm sorry for creating cursed things with your beautiful art.